And yesterday's storm officially reached blizzard conditions in Portsmouth and Rochester. Meteorologist Matt Honig is out on the seacoast tonight digging into some of those numbers. Matt.
What a difference 24 hours makes, Marissa. This time yesterday here at Prescott Park, they picked up 7.2 inches of snow. The wind was blowing it every which direction. And now tonight, it's a quiet winter night. But the big story all day long has been cleanup along the coastline. You can see the big snowbanks that we have all across southern New Hampshire from last night's storm, which was classified as a blizzard officially in portions of eastern New Hampshire. That includes right here in Portsmouth and also just up the road in Rochester. Now, a lot of you might be at home thinking, well, yeah, of course it was a blizzard. We had snow and wind, but it does require a very specific set of criteria. We're looking for 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts, visibility under a quarter of a mile, and both of those things have to happen for at least 3 consecutive hours, and we met that criteria for many seacoast locations and right up into the greater Dover and Rochester area on Monday. Now, keep in mind, it's been a while since we've had a true confirmed blizzard here in New Hampshire. The last time we saw that was back on January 29th, 2022, so about 4 years